In this video, I'm going to explain how you can create next level photos with duotone double exposure effect in Photoshop. Thanks to JJ Jordan of Pexels for this wonderful image. I'll leave a link to this image down in the description. First off, click Ctrl plus Shift plus U to desaturate your image. Next, click Ctrl J to duplicate your layer. Now, come down to this FX icon and click Blending Options. Now, uncheck the B and the J and click OK. Select the layer below and come to Blending Options again. Now, uncheck the R and click OK. Now, select the top layer and click Ctrl T. Now, right click and click Flip Horizontal. Drag out your image to your preferred position. Adjust the bottom layer as well. Now, create a mask for your bottom layer and select your brush tool. And clean the sharp line here to make it blend with the image seamlessly. And that's it. You have your next level photo created and it's just awesome. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more awesome tutorials from me, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.